Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. If you're new, I'm Robin, and today I have a little bit of a cleaning video for you guys, but I also wanted to share with you something new that's been happening for us. We just adopted a new puppy from a rescue center here in Austin, and I wanted to introduce you to him. Isn't he cute? Yeah. Do you see him? Yeah. So we just came back from a walk, and that's why he's a little bit sleepy. And we don't have a name for him yet. Let's see if I can adjust this to get us both. But he has been a sweet, sweet doggy, and we're so excited to have him. But consequently, my kitchen is a mess because we've been putting all of our time and attention into this guy, and I need to get some things cleaned up. So I also want to create an area in the kitchen where we can keep some of his things. So I'm going to try to figure that out today too. So let's get started. So I thought I'd start off by giving you guys a little bit of background about our puppy. So he is a Lab Retriever mix, and we think he might have some German Shepherd and maybe Doberman Pinscher in there, who knows. But we got him from a rescue center in Austin that adopts out dogs that are at risk for euthanasia, and he is as cute as can be. He's got a couple health issues going on, but we think he's going to be just fine, and he is coming out of his shell now that we've had him for a couple of days, and you can really see the puppy in him. He's just hilarious. He keeps us rolling. We've always had dogs in our family, and our last dog, Colby, died of cancer, and it was such a heartbreak for our family that it took us a while to be ready to adopt a new dog, but we can't be happier now that we have our new little guy, and we haven't picked out a name yet. Our son is coming back for Christmas from college, and so we've been discussing names, and we hope to have one soon, and when we do, I'll let you guys know. But he's as sweet as can be. He has a little bit of anxiety towards men, and so lucky me, since I'm the only girl in the family, he has been my shadow, and I love it. He's so cute, and he just makes life fun. So you guys will probably be seeing a lot more of him in videos, and he's like my little cleaning partner, as you'll see. I'm just going to be cleaning in the kitchen today. I've let a lot of things pile up a little bit more than usual because we've been spending so much time with the puppy and paying attention to him, which is fine. But I have some things that have been drying out on the counter, so that's what I'm going to start doing, putting those things away, and then I have dishes to put in the dishwasher. Countertops today, I'm using my Norwex cloth and some of the Method Daily Granite Cleaner. the stovetop, I'm just using the same Norwex cloth with water, and it does a great job of getting up the grease and food splatters, and it leaves it sparkling clean. To clean the sink today, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Baking Soda Cream Cleanser, and this one is in the lemon verbena scent, and I think this stuff works great on sinks, and I only use this probably once a week or so. On a daily basis, I usually just use some dish soap. So in our pantry, on the countertop is where we have been piling up all of the things for our puppy. And I want to move these into a better location. So I have an idea of a cabinet in the kitchen that I'm not really using, and that's where we're going to put all of these things. So this is the cabinet in the corner of our kitchen, and right now I just have a few things stowed in here that I had out as decor and I put away so that I could make room for some Christmas items. And a few other things, like I used to make kombucha. I'm not really doing that anymore, so I had some supplies for that, like bottles, and also we have an old Nespresso machine, and I was hesitant to get rid of that because we love our Nespresso and this machine still works. So the newer one that we have, if it ever failed, I could use this one. So I'm just going to find another home for that, and then this should be clear and I'll have space for all of the doggy things. So in this cabinet underneath our island, I keep some things that I don't need to get out very often, and I thought this would be a great place to put the Nespresso machine, but I realized that the shelf was just not quite high enough. So I readjusted all the shelves and then put everything back in, and I was really happy that it fit. I was thinking that I could stow some of the bottles up in this cabinet because I don't have anything up there right now, but they're a little bit too tall. So I think I will just store these trays up there. And look who's up from his nap. I have some extra space in a cabinet in the laundry room that I think I will store the bottles in until I decide what to do with them. So that's what I'm doing. I'm moving those back there. And these are all the things that I want to keep in the cabinet for our dog. Maybe I should call it a puppy pantry. I have an extra container, and so I'm going to use this to pour all of his food in. It's not completely airtight, but I think it's going to be fine. And I've just got a plastic cup that we can measure his food out with, and I'll put that in there too. I'm also going to decant these little training treats that we have for him into some mason jars. I just think that it will look nicer and it will be a little bit easier to access. And I wasn't using this Grove Collaborative caddy for my cleaning, so I thought it would be a great place to corral all of his medications and shampoos, grooming tools, things like that. So I don't have any fancy organizing solutions, but for now all of these things work, and I really like having everything all in one spot, and I think our puppy approves. Now I'm going to use my Norwex cloth with just a little bit of water to clean the stainless steel. And these cloths do a great job of getting off fingerprints and dog nose prints and anything else that gets on your stainless steel. And I just follow it with a Norwex window cloth, and that gives it a really nice streak-free shine. Here I'm just doing a quick clean with the same Norwex cloth and the window cloth to clean our glass doors because there are lots of new little puppy nose prints. Last thing I want to do is vacuum the kitchen floors and mop, and this is our puppy's first experience with the vacuum. So I was trying to let him check it out and figure out what it was all about, all while trying not to scare him. And he was cautious about it, but he got over it, and it was quite hysterical to see how he reacted. This guy is a little bit of a messy drinker, so here I am just wiping up a water spill before I vacuum, and then I think I'm going to look for a towel or bath mat or something that I can put underneath this dish to absorb some of the water, something that's easy to wash. After vacuuming, I got out the mop, and he was even more curious about that. And he had such a good time playing with it, chasing it, and trying to grab the cloth, and it was just a really fun time with him. He wasn't scared at all, he was just in a really playful mood. My towel solution turned out to be puppy approved. In fact, it seemed to solve two very annoying issues: a wet floor and the problem with standing and drinking. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation and some puppy comic relief. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you hit the bell icon when you subscribe so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video and you won't miss anything. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great week.